In a distant realm beyond the horizon of ordinary existence, the Chronicles of the celestial mechanism unfolded, an epic tale of cosmic wonders and intricate clockwork mysteries. Within this celestial realm, a wondrous mechanism governed the passage of time, and it was said that those who dared to embark on a Clockwork Odyssey could unlock the secrets of the universe. At the heart of this cosmic saga was Captain Orion, a daring explorer known for his insatiable curiosity and a clockwork arm that marked the passing of celestial hours. The journey began when a celestial map revealed an ancient gateway, leading to uncharted realms within the celestial mechanism. With a ship adorned with gears and celestial symbols, Captain Orion and his intrepid crew set sail through the cosmic currents. Their odyssey took them through celestial storms that crackled with energy, unexplored constellations that danced with vibrant hues, and clockwork planets that hummed with the harmonious rhythm of the universe. Each celestial body revealed a piece of the grand mechanism, and Captain Orion deciphered the intricate codes that propelled the cosmic ballet. As they delved deeper into the celestial unknown, the crew encountered ethereal beings made of stardust and clockwork, guardians of the celestial mechanism. These beings, known as the Keepers of Time, tested Captain Orion's resolve and granted him wisdom to decipher the final mysteries that lay ahead. In a climactic moment, Captain Orion reached the heart of the celestial mechanism, a mesmerizing clockwork singularity that resonated with the pulse of creation. Here, the secrets of time unfolded like an ancient tome, revealing the interconnected threads of past, present, and future. With newfound knowledge, Captain Orion and his crew emerged from the celestial odyssey, forever changed by the wisdom of the cosmic clockwork.